Introduction to Afterpay Developer API. Afterpay is a popular payment platform that allows customers to pay for purchases in installments. The Afterpay Developer API enables developers to integrate Afterpay into their e-commerce platforms, providing a seamless payment experience for customers. In this guide, we will walk through the step-by-step process of using the Afterpay Developer API. Step 1. Register for an Afterpay developer account. To get started, register for an Afterpay developer account on the Afterpay website. This will provide you with access to the API documentation, test environment, and other developer resources. Fill out the registration form with your details and wait for verification. Step 2. Obtain API credentials. After verifying your account, navigate to the API credentials page and generate a new set of API keys. These keys will be used to authenticate your API requests. Make sure to store these keys securely and do not share them with anyone. Step 3. Choose an API endpoint. The Afterpay API provides several endpoints for different payment scenarios. Choose the endpoint that best fits your use case, such as creating a payment plan or retrieving a payment schedule. Refer to the API documentation for a list of available endpoints and their parameters. Step 4. Set up API request. To make an API request, set the API endpoint URL, HTTP method, and headers. The headers should include your API credentials and any other required parameters. Use a tool like Postman or curl to test your API requests. Step 5. Handle API responses. After making an API request, the Afterpay API will return a response in JSON format. Handle the response by parsing the JSON data and checking for any errors. If an error occurs, refer to the API documentation for troubleshooting guides. Step 6. Implement payment flow. Integrate the Afterpay API into your payment flow by creating a payment plan, retrieving a payment schedule, and handling payment updates. Use the API to create a seamless payment experience for your customers. Best practices. When using the Afterpay Developer API, follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing logging and monitoring, and testing your API integration thoroughly. Ensure that your API integration is secure and compliant with relevant payment regulations. Conclusion. The Afterpay Developer API provides a powerful tool for integrating Afterpay into your e-commerce platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a seamless payment experience for your customers. Remember to handle errors and exceptions, implement logging and monitoring, and test your API integration thoroughly to ensure a successful integration.